What's good, BFM? This is Big Tone coming at you from Big Tone Productions Beats and Feast. You know what time it is. It's time for another cooking video. So today we're going to do some just good old pancakes. Well, we're not going to do just any pancakes. We're going to do stuffed pancakes. So stay tuned for the video, and if you like it, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications, share the video, guys. Let's get started with some stuffed pancakes. Supporting cast is very simple. Use your favorite pancake batter. You can make your own. I chose not to make my own this morning, but get my regular pancake batter here. I got some sausage and some bacon that I cooked up, pre-cooked. And then you can put whatever you want to in these stuffed pancakes. You can put eggs in them. You can put peppers, onions, whatever you want to put in the pancakes, you can do it. I'm just choosing to use bacon and sausage today. And we got some butter, of course. We got to season up the grill here with some butter. But let's get started with this. I'm gonna go ahead and start my pancakes here. Pour a little bit here on this side. Gonna hit it with another one over here. And one down here. And then immediately I'm going to start adding my stuffed portion of it. A little bit of bacon, a little bit of sausage. You know, be creative with it. Do what you want to do. And I put one on back there. You can see that's my test pancake. You got to have a test pancake. See where your griddle is and see where your, if you're using the skillet, just see where your skillet's at. Make sure I'm not sticking really good. There we go. I'm gonna flip this one. Look at that. Woo-hoo! Flip that one. Flip that one. There we go. Probably gonna put on about 2 or 3 more. Put another one back here. I'm gonna add a couple more on here, put this in the oven. So there you are, very simple. Stuffed pancakes with bacon and sausage. You know what I'm waiting for? I'm waiting for that bite. Matter of fact, let me pour a little bit of syrup on top of here. Ooh, look at that, look at that. Don't get too much better than that. Stuffed pancakes, sausage and bacon. Now I'm going to tell you a little bit about the grill. If you guys want to pick one of these grills up, you turn your stove top into a flat top in a matter of seconds. So if you want to get one, just click on the link below or on the screen here and follow it over to Steelmadeusa. You get 10% off. It also helps me. I am an affiliate. But hey guys, if you want one of those, it's worth the investment. But you know what I'm waiting for? I'm waiting for this bite. Ooh. Oh man. Oh Lord. Out of sight, guys, out of sight. Hey, if you like the video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications so you never miss a video. Make sure you share the video, guys. And hey, this is Big Tone signing off. Peace.